Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is algebra, and this is a whole new term for you. So we'll study about this algebra, means what is algebra and what is the use of algebra in mathematics. So the new term, this algebra, before studying this we'll see we are knowing about mathematics, where what we are doing, you are using numbers and doing calculations, okay, like your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So there are so many branches of mathematics, like the study of numbers, where we are taking numbers, okay, that is arithmetic. So where we are studying the number and doing the operations, that is arithmetic. Then the study of shapes, where we are studying shapes, geometry. In geometry we are studying about shapes, and this is also a branch of mathematics. Then there is another branch, the study to use the letters and symbols in mathematics is called. So we are using numbers, shapes, and another thing is letters or symbols. That is known as algebra. So algebra is a branch of mathematics where we are using letters and symbols with the numbers. Let's see. So algebra is a part of mathematics in which the letter and symbols are used to represent the numbers in equation. So here we are using numbers and letters and symbols in the equations, in the form of equations, okay. It helps us to study about unknown quantities. There is a one quantity and which is not known to us, ame jani no gote quantity. So about that we can study in algebra. So look at here, what we are seeing, that here we have taken matchsticks, and in matchsticks we have made squares. Okay, so many squares we have made. Look at the first one. Here only one square is made. Okay, one square is made, and how many matchsticks we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 matchsticks we have taken. So if we'll write number of matchsticks used to make first square is how much? That is, this is 4. So you will write 4. Okay. So you can write 4. And look at here. In second picture, in second what we have done? We have made 2 squares. And that is made up of how many matchsticks? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. So here we can write that 3 plus 1 equal to 4. This is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. We can write it like that. Okay. Next you see. Okay. So next you can see that here 3 squares have been made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many matchsticks are used? 10 matchsticks are used. You can write it 9 plus 1. Like that, you can make another picture with the matchsticks and taking another means 4 numbers of square taking matchsticks. Means what you will do? You will add like this matchsticks. Okay. Arrange these matchsticks like this. Then look how much you are getting. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And for 4 squares, how many number of sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means what? Okay, sorry, 13 sticks, 12 plus 1. So here you can see that we have the pattern 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 9 plus 1 and 12 plus 1. So for this we can write that 3 plus 1 equal to how much? 3 into 1. Sorry, 3 into 1 plus 1, because 3 is 3 into 1. Then here you can write that for 6, 3 into 2 plus 1. Okay, then 10 equal to 9 plus 1. That one we can write it as 3 into 3 plus 1. Then for 4 square, how many sticks you are using? 13. 4 square पे केटा sticks use करछो तमे? 13 टा. So for 13 we can write that 12 plus 1. That is what? 3 into 4 plus 1. So look at here, we have got a pattern, and in pattern which one is changing? This value is changing. Okay. All other values are same. Here 3, 3, 3, into, plus, 1, 1, 1 same. Here changing 1, 2, 3, 4. Means if we'll write that, okay, if we'll write means four, means for 1 square we got 4, for 2 square we got 7 matchsticks, for 3 squares 10 matchsticks, and for 4 square 4 matchsticks. Sorry, for 4 square we have got 13 matchsticks. So if 4, we will ask how many matchsticks we can use for how many for 5 squares. For making 5 squares, you can write that directly 3 into 5 plus 1. That is how much? 15 plus 1, that is 16. Okay. So in case of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are what? Natural number. If I'll write that if there is n number of squares, if there is n number of squares, then matchsticks used, what you will write? Matchsticks used equal to 3 into, in case of 1, 2, 3, 4, what you put? N plus 1, that is 3n plus 1. So here you are seeing here n is what? N is what? A letter. Okay. N is a letter we are using. So this is what? This is an expression we are using. We are using here, we are using number, then letter, okay, and operation. So here this is what? Number of matchstick required is 3n plus 1. So with this is here, this is an expression of a variable, and what we have used? We have used the letter. And here you see so how many matchsticks will be used in 50th figure? So if there will be 50th figure, what you will do? We are known that for 3n plus 1, what we will put? 3 into, in place of n, what will put? 50 plus 1, that is 150 plus 1, that is 151. Okay, so here this value may be n, it may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. Means this value has no, means this letter has no constant value. यार किसी constant value नहीं कि fixed value नहीं. So it is always changing. Okay. If this value is changing, the result is also changing. Okay. So for if we want to make 50 squares, we need how many matchsticks? 151 matchsticks. Like that, we will change this one, then we'll get the value. So this is not a fixed value. This has not a fixed value. That's why this is known as what? Variable. Okay. Variable. Variable comes from the term vary. Vary means what? Always changes. Or you can write that changeable. जोटा सब बड़े change होतुबो. तार किसी fixed नथिबो. सब बड़े change होतुबो. Okay. So look at here. Variable refers to the unknown quantities that can change or vary and are represented using the lowercase letter of English alphabet. So what is this lowercase? You are writing small letters, okay, whenever writing, and capital letters. You are knowing about small letter and capital letter. So capital letter is known as uppercase letter and small letters are known as lowercase letter. Okay, so here lowercase letter means small letter. So बड़े को letter लिखे हो तो मैं small letter. All the alphabets are in small letter. One such example of the same is rule that we used in the mastic pattern. Mastic pattern ने जेतले तुमको square बने को गला ताहेले तमर कौन गला केट्टा mastic use होइछि. So that one is represented as this. एथिरे represent. So here we have used the variable that is n. Look at n. This is lower case. Lower case means what? एटा छोटो अक्षर लिखा है small letter. Okay. So here the value of n is unknown. एठी हमें जाने छो value of n कौन हो? Maybe it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be -2. Okay. It can vary from time to time. So this is about variable. More examples of variable is what? We can use any letter as a variable. A, B, C, D. We have so much letter A to Z. Okay. So 26 letters are there. So you can use any letter as variable. But only lowercase English alphabet. That must be lowercase. Lowercase means small letter. Numbers cannot be used for the variable as they have fixed value. We cannot use number as variable. Like 1 means 1 number, 2 means 2 numbers, 6 means 6 numbers. So that is fixed. So we cannot use number as a variable. We always use what? The letter. They can also help in solving some other problems. Okay. So look at here. Karana wanted to buy storybooks from a bookstall. Okay. So she wanted to buy 3 books for herself, 2 books for her, and 4 books for 2 of her friends. So से कौन करची 3टा बुक निज पाई herself means निज पाई, 2 book for her brother ता brother पाई, and 4 for 2 of her friends. 4टा कहा पाई 2 of her friends तारो 2टा friend पाई. Each book cost 15 rupees. How much money she should pay for? So what you can write? So how total books? So answer what you can write? Total books. First to write total books how much? 3 plus 2 plus 4 is how much? 5, 9 books. Total books are 9 and each book cost how much? 15. So cost of one book you can write that equal to Rs 15. So you can write that cost of 9 book is how much? 9 into 15. That is what? Rs 135. Okay. So like that you can make. But this is we got a fixed value. But if cost of each book or one book equal to, will write a variable. Let the cost of each book equal to what? P. So cost of 9 books equal to 9 into P. That is what? 9P. So this rupees 135 is expressed in number, that is what? Fixed value. This is not variable. Okay. But here P, 9P, P is what? A variable. And this is what? An expression. Which type of expression? Algebraic expression. That is 9P. So here you can see P is a variable, 9 is not a variable, it is number. You can tell that it is what? Constant. Okay. So if this cost of book is not given, so we can take as a variable and then we can find out the cost of 9 books. Okay, let's see some more examples. Mani has 2 erasers more than Tanu. Form an expression for the statement. Okay, so Mani has 2 erasers more than Tanu. We have to form an expression. So solution is what? Erasers that Tanu have can be represented as, let we'll take y. Okay. So Tanu has how many erasers? Y number of erasers. So erasers that Mani has 2 erasers more than Tanu. So Tanu tharu ketta more erasers? 2 more. 2 erasers more mean what you are doing? We are adding, okay, 2 erasers more. 2 more we are adding here. So what we'll write? Erasers that Tanu have plus 2. We are adding means we are writing plus 2. So what we'll do? We'll write that erasers with Mani is how much? Erasers that Tanu is y. So y plus 2. Like that also you can write. And another thing we can write that erasers that Mani can be represented as, we can take x. Okay. So erasers that Tanu has how much? If Manu has 2 more erasers, Mani has 2 more erasers, then Tanu means Tanu has 2 less erasers than Mani. If Mani Tanu tharu 2 erasers besi rakhichi, more rakhichi, means Tanu Mani tharu 2 erasers kate rakhichi? Less. Okay. So here if we are expressing Tanu, then what we will write? We will write as this one as subtraction. So erasers that Tanu has 2 less erasers than Mani. So erasers that Mani have minus 2. So here look, erasers that Tanu has. Okay, Tanu has erasers that Mani have minus 2. Means Tanu has 2 less erasers. Tanu pakhare kete achi? Mani tharu dita less, 2 less achi. Okay, dita come achi means what you will do? You will do subtraction. So erasers that Mani have minus 2, that is erasers with Tanu equal to x minus 2. So here like that, using variables you can express anything. Okay, or we can find out some values. Okay, so here we are knowing that what is algebra and how you are using the letters in algebra, and these letters are what? Their value is unknown and that is not fixed. It is always varying, means it is always changing. That's why these are known as variables. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.